Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a dictionary and loop through it, and we're going to be looking for a name in the dictionary, so we're going to be using some standard input as well. But before we start, make sure as always you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, let's start. So let's create the dictionary. So it's just going to be called MyDict, and we're going to create the dictionary here, and I'm just going to add some names in it like Dave. Let's have a look. Dave is going to be 56. Let's say Joe. Usual suspects, Dave and Joe. Oops. I don't know, 78. Let's say Pete, say 99, so there are a load of old coffin dodgers. Whoops. Okay, so that there is our dictionary with keys and values in it. So we're going to create a function called loop through. Okay, and here we're going to use entry is equal to input to get the user input here, and that's simply going to be enter a name. Right, so if entry in MyDict, so if what the user has typed into this entry box is in here, we're going to have to do something. So print, and I'm going to use the format string here. Entry has been found. Okay, or else we're going to have to print the user another message. Print, again the format string, entry hasn't been found. Right, now all we have to do is call this function, and we call it by its name, loop through. Save it and run it. Okay, so there we go, we've got to enter a name. So I'm going to enter a name that's in the dictionary. Let's say Pete. Okay, Pete has been found. Okay, let's run it again. This time let's enter a name that's not in the dictionary. How about Steve? Steve hasn't been found. So there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button below. It's red and white and it won't bite, and also hit that bell icon so you never miss another video, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.